Para saan yung gunting?
Hi guys, today it's Miss Markets by Pearl. Today we're gonna unboxing that I asked my dad to order it.
What's
So,
that?
Shopee.
Shopee parcel. You
First,
receive a Shopee parcel today.
Yes.
And then,
this is 2 orders.
2 parcels.
Yes. First one, this. We should read this. The product name is necklaces. So, let's open it. You will guys be amazed.
Be careful kasi baka pati yung item mapunit mo, sayang. How much will you pay for that?
If the 2 are 200.
8.
Let's
Kung
check.
magkano yun? 208 daw lahat. First parcel yan. Ang ganyan lang siya kaliit. Tingnan mo. Buti. Ang kwintas. Necklace.
Hindi. Tingnan mo, may logo pa ito.
Kaya palang buli. Dito kala kung ano.
Si Jax.
Si Jack. Pakita mo kayo guys. Pakita mo. Ang guys. Necklace. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan siya. Necklace. So, susutan mama niya ako. And then the other one. Ayan na.
Okay.
Cute item guys. A necklace for kids. Okay. The next one.
Is this is 2 minutes with the product. Notebooks and paper. But it's not notebook and paper. It's the wrong thing. Just a little cut here because it is too many of them. Ooh. Oh my god.
Wow, lots of
No, why is there
stickers.
from the X-Jax?
Daming stickers. Ang mahal naman yan, guys. 280 yan lahat kasi binayaran ni nanay. Ito sino to nak? Si Jax to, di ba? Ayan, this is Amazing Digital Circus, guys, trending to sa mga bata ngayon. Ayan, meron na si ating necklace na Jax. Tapos, ayan. So, ano sabihin mo kay guys?
So guys, I really love it and thank you for watching guys. Goodbye, like and subscribe for more unboxing things. Bye bye.